I gotta leave in like 6 minutes or 7.
Oh my god. Again, do you think like getting a bike made it easier to get a girl?
I mean, I had a girl before I had a bike.
I found my girlfriend like after.
Is she a book talk girl?
Oh, hi,
That's yeah.
Thank you.
Nice.
I was talking about my bike.
Thank you. Oh, okay.
Thank you.
I don't know. My girl kind of liked F1 and stuff before too, so I feel like she definitely liked vehicles, you know, so maybe that did have a play in it. Yeah, like that.
Sorry, autism.
Both of y'all girls seem to hate that you ride, so I wonder if it's maybe the opposite, like they hate it.
She hates it, right? But she knows that I enjoy it, so she won't tell me to quit. I have a buddy, his girlfriend refused. She hated it. She made him sell the fucking thing.
She knows it's dangerous.
I feel like it depends of whether you have a girl before and then you get one, but those girls are already into it. Some of them are crazy. I don't want to talk about it. But my girl doesn't hate it, but she doesn't like it either. There was one time I got her to backpack. She was loving it. She had a great time. We got home. My mom didn't know we went out, even though I said it. She freaked the fuck out at me. And then now my girlfriend refuses. My mom, yeah, she freaked the hell out. My mom hates this. She absolutely hates the fact that I have this.